Here are the top 3 cities in Europe you need to visit if you're Jewish. 1. Prague, Czech Republic. Jewish life dates back here as early as the 10th century. In the Josefov district, Jewish life is still visible in the streets, in small details you might miss if you're not looking. This isn't just a city with Jewish history, it's a place where traces of it are still woven into everyday life. 2. Berlin, Germany. Berlin doesn't hide its past. Across the city, you'll find memorials and museums that tell the story of the Holocaust. And just outside the city, places like Sachsenhausen remind us what was lost and why it's remembered. 3. Vilnius, Lithuania. Often called the Jerusalem of the North, Vilnius was once a major center of Jewish learning. You don't have to look far to find reminders of what it once was. And just a short train ride away, Kaunas offers another layer of Jewish history worth exploring. In both cities, traces of Jewish life are still visible on the walls of the city. If you're planning a Jewish heritage trip to Europe, I help put these kinds of journeys together. Details are in the description.